All the roads lead to Oktyabrskyaya. The Dark One is there. Anna is there now too. In the hands of my enemies. The hands of the traitor. Lesnitsky.
So, who is this girl again?
A hostage. We'll use her for negotiating with the Order. Just make sure she wears a gas mask. If she's infected, she's dead, and of no use to us.
So, what do we do with her?
Lock her up and keep an eye on her. Anything happens, it's your head. I'll come get her when we're done here.
What are you doing? Please! You don't have to kill us!
And we're under order from the leadership of the Red Line to stop the epidemic. And you're all infected.
You heard the man. We must kill you to save the metro.
But we're not even feverish. We're...
Fire! Can't you hear anything? Even at the point-blank range. Unbelievable.
What does it matter? He's gonna die soon anyway.
We're here to make sure he does. Finish him!
Ooh! The whole boot covered in shit. Just my luck.
Well, nothing to be done about it right now. Put some disinfectant on it when we get back.
Let's get going then.
Nah, let's have a smoke first. Hands are shaking. And I can't stand the thought of unloading the cargo. If we take our time, they might finish it before we arrive.
Can't argue with that.
It just doesn't matter how fast we got here. Usually the news arrives, they check it out, make plans, issue orders. Takes a week, at least. 2 weeks with politicians.
So what?
We were here the day after it began. They haven't even started dying yet.
So that's how it is. Look, keep all this to yourself. Makes no difference to us. We stay out of it, understand?
Yeah, sure thing. Quit your yapping, soldier.
We're short of people for the unloading operation, so go and get those two on the double. They have to be at the storage in 2 minutes. Go!
Yes, sir.
Asshole.
Well, so what do they have of use? Steel helmets, 6 pieces. Gas masks, 17 pieces. These will surely come in handy. Filters, 22 pieces. Huh?
Incendiary! What the? Easy. You didn't seem quite like rats. The damn rats. Reaching the cold definitely seems a possibility now.
What do we have here?
Captain Jai got hit while storming the Klutzfire. I went after the infected.
An open wound. Well, the outcome here is obvious. I think you understand what has to be done.
What? Need to sleep like fucking overgrown mud. I'm a soldier. I followed orders. You owe me a bullet.
Have it your way then, Captain.
We got company! You see him yet?
Nope. Hiding somewhere.
What do we do now? We look for him, you genius! Grenades! Use the grenades!
Stay cool, comrades.
Get him! You bastard! We've got to make them pay! Grenades! Use the grenades!
Casualty! Casualty reporting! Man down! Soon, hello, pretty soon. He isn't going anywhere. We're going to find him.
Comrade Lesnitsky, the operation is progressing as planned. It will be completed within an hour.
Well, the experiment has been successful. We need to report it to General Corbett. Will you go?
Yes, sir.
What's with the girl? Lesnitsky's daughter. Says she's a hostage for negotiations with the Order. Although we all know what sort of negotiations they're having.
Hey.
What is it? Seems like someone. Sleep deprivation does play its tricks. Boy, do I wish for a stroll. Poor spot for a post. Gotta tell the sergeant. Well, after they relieve me.
I'm gonna lose my dinner.
I'll have to shoot from Texas when we shoot.
This is nothing. At least they're already dead.
What the hell was that? We've got company! Freaking shit!
Just you wait. Gonna get you for this! Gonna pay! Fuck! Intruder!
Artyom, stand still, or I slit her throat. So, you came for Anna. Very heroic, but not very smart. Here is the deal. You take off your mask, and I give her to you. I'll count to 5.
Don't do this, Artyom. He'll kill me anyway. He already betrayed us once.
1. You're wrong. 2. I never served Miller. 3. In fact...
Why did you do that? Hurry! We have to get Kotsavaya. There's Hansa. And our men. Suffocating will be a real shame after surviving all that.
Need to be infected. That's I'm here.
They've no masks.